Welcome to the Lead Liaison Salesforce.com connector. This is what happens when you combine the best of Lead Liaison with the power of Salesforce's CRM. Inside of Lead Liaison, we can instantly sync new leads to Salesforce.com through our fulfillment actions. We're able to assign them to specific users or even use Salesforce's existing auto-assignment rules or add them to a queue. And using the email address as the unique identifier, we can help make sure that your account never has issues with duplicates. But the real power of the connector comes in through Lead Liaison's marketing automations. Through our workflows, we can not only sync new leads to Salesforce, but we can make sure that we're syncing them in the right way. For example, in this case, Lead Liaison is only pushing new leads over if they've been marked as a VIP inside of our system. We could also use different conditions to assign leads to different owners, depending on the context. Once assigned, we can do all sorts of things inside of Salesforce directly. For example, we could create a task for the lead owner to call the prospect and get in contact with them. We can also add them to Salesforce campaigns or even change their campaign status. And, depending on your criteria, we can even convert leads into contacts and create opportunities. Everything can be completely automated through our workflows. Now, we understand that most sales teams don't want to have to learn a new system. After all, Salesforce is already a powerful CRM. Why should they learn to use other prospect profiles? Well, all of the information that's available inside of Lead Liaison through the prospect's timeline is reflected directly inside of the lead or contact record inside of Salesforce. Your sales team can see everything that we're tracking in Lead Liaison without ever having to leave their Salesforce login. In fact, they can even nurture the prospect using Lead Liaison automations from here. Let's say that a prospect has told them not to get in contact for another 6 months. No problem, we can quickly add them to a nurture campaign inside of their lead record. And yes, the connector is completely Lightning compatible. On the back end, you have direct control over the data flow between the two systems, down to the individual field level. If you want to make sure that only Salesforce can update the annual revenue, no problem. Our syncing rules can be bi-directional or one-way from one system to another. With this unprecedented flexibility, you can make sure to have complete control over your data. Combining Lead Liaison and Salesforce.com gives you one of the most powerful platforms on the market. Contact your Lead Liaison representative today.